Hey Pennsylvania patients, it's me again, Medical Mary. I've been inspired. Let's make some Nerds gummy clusters. I figure all we have to do is melt down some gummy bears, add some oil, and roll them in nerd candy. I'm gonna try 2 batches. I don't know how gummies melt. This is my first time doing it. I'm gonna add some wheat oil. The first batch. I got these German gummies from Aldi's. They're pretty good. I picked out a lot of the red ones. Happy Valentine's Day. Batch number 2. Das Haribo. And then we'll add some wheat oil to that and try that with the Nerds. Here's the setup. I got this silicone tray. I'm gonna put Nerds in here. That way when we have the melted gummy, we can plop, 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 and like roll it around. If that fails. I just have regular molds, so we'll see what we can do. Maybe we'll make both. This is what we want to make. It's a gummy rolled in Nerds. Why can't that be an edible? Also, I'm gonna save this container and try to put my edibles in here. Stealth mode. 10 out of 10. This crock pot is getting hot. Batch 1 of gummies. I'm gonna keep the lid on. I did not put the wheat oil in. I wanna make sure they melt properly and then we'll add that in. I'm not sure how long it will take to melt these gummies. I have the crock pot on high. I'm gonna check it every couple minutes and we'll see how fast it melts. Chocolates melted real fast. So how about a quick little Stunden break? Best quarantine purchase ever. It's been either 5 or 10 minutes. I'm gonna start setting timers. It's not really melting yet. It's the tiniest bit sticky. Let's give it a little longer. Okay, this time I set a timer. It's been 5 more minutes. All right, I had to touch one. They do feel softer. Let's keep melting them. 5 more minutes. Or I don't know, like 30, we'll see. It's already been 10 more minutes. And we keep melting. Let's set it for 10 this time. It's definitely been 20 minutes. Since that crock pot is taking a really long time with the first batch of gummies. Let's pick out the red ones and try and melt them in the microwave. While that other batch is taking forever, let's melt this in the microwave. Short, 5-10 seconds. Already progress. 20 seconds. No. 11 seconds. Not even 20 seconds. Well, they're not great. They taste great. They don't look great. We saw that other batch. Well, that was a little sloppy, but they're melting. How fantastic. Let's add the oil to this, mix it up, and then I have an idea to make our own gummy nerds. That's less messy than what we just did. It's so good, I can't stop. I just had to just a little bit. Like 10 more minutes. Should have microwaved it. That was much quicker. But it might have been this type of gummy. Who knows? But you can do it in the Crock pot double boiler. It's hot. Or you can do it in the microwave. Now that we have these gummies, I think one addition would make them more like the nerd clusters. Right on top? What do you think? These are gonna have to cool for a while. We want to get all that extra moisture out and hope they're not too sticky. But I have high hopes. Let's just compare, you know. I mean, I'm having a hard time telling which one is the real nerds. Okay, it's this one. It's good though. So that went pretty good and okay and not so terrible. And if you were hesitant to melt down your favorite gummy bear fruit snack, just try it. You could do it in the microwave, you could do it in a double boiler. It's a little messy, but isn't life messy? Happy medicating.